What you're going to want to do is get into Blackboard. Then you're going to go down to your Electude link. Get inside of Electude. And go ahead and sign in to Electude with your own password. After that, you should be able to click on your own content. One of those content areas is going to be Motologic Repair Diagnostic Data. It's the one with the asterisks on either side. Go ahead and start that module. And at this point, you have full access to service information. So, for instance, if I'm asking you to pull up the wiring diagram for a particular vehicle, you put in the VIN, go into the center tab, go into wiring diagrams, and you can get, let's say, transmission wiring diagrams. And obviously there's 6 different pages, 4 pages on the 3.7 liter engine, and then 2 pages on the 5.0 or 6.2 liter engine. You can navigate through those. If I just want you to get the diagram, find the right one, then you'd be able to print it. If you print it, you want to save it as a PDF. And the PDF you want to save in a folder that you create for our class. The other thing is you can leave the name of the file the same, but you want to add your name at the end of that file. That way I know that it came from you. Another way you can get a diagram, if I want you to highlight the area, is you can go into the color diagrams, go down into the same area that we're concerned with. But the special part about this one is we can zoom in on that diagram, and let's say I want you to highlight the output shaft speed sensor signal line. That's going to be that one. So all you do is hover over it till there's a little finger, and then now that is highlighted. Do the same thing, print the full article. This is going to print 2 pages. Really all I need is just that first page. So you can create custom, select only page 1. And of course, you have the file. Go ahead and add your name to it. If you have files that have the same name, then you probably want to click highlighted or add highlighted to it. And then at that point, in the area in Blackboard where we're doing our coursework, you can go ahead and upload. Let's see, so I can show you an example of an upload area. So, practice homework upload area. So you browse your computer, go into the folder that you created, pick the file that you want to upload, and save and submit. Hopefully that helps.